Hello Barca fans, welcome back to Epic World Projects. We're back once again at Camp Nou, starting the week with great energy after that thrilling Super Cup final. Today we'll walk through the latest construction progress, with important movement in several key areas of the stadium. So let's get started and see how the new Camp Nou continues to take shape. Today's tour from the South Goal, where work is clearly active right now. The past few days, new supports for the slats have been installed in this area. The only missing support was the one on the upper left side, and that has now been placed, currently using an elevated platform to finalize this support. All brackets are now installed, the upper, middle, and lower diagonal ones tightly fixed to the pillar. Supports forming the false ceiling were already installed some time ago. The sector on the left, we can see that the joints for the brackets have not yet been installed. These joints must be placed before the supports can be added. The elevated platform, workers are adjusting a chain system to slightly lift and align a support so it fits correctly into position. Toward the south goal corner, activity increases. New slats have been installed since Saturday. When we were here last time, only one was in place. With multiple elevated platforms and a crane operating nearby, it's very likely that more slats will be installed today, being used to ensure the slats are aligned correctly. This corner, 4 slats are already installed, with more expected shortly. Unlike the lateral side, this section has a strong diagonal inclination, which actually makes the installation easier to observe. Slat is now being lifted. Interestingly, its color appears slightly different, more blue or lilac, compared to the previous ones. Excellent progress as the stadium continues to be gradually covered by these slats. The lateral side, we can see that a wall that was previously being cut has now been completely removed. The blocks were cut using a large industrial disc and are now cleared away. Structural frame that was previously held by crane chains has now been fully lifted into place. Another similar structure nearby has been installed for some time. Work continues, with a mixer arriving to feed a nearby concrete pump. Slat installation is also progressing here, with platforms positioned above and below for precise placement. False ceiling area, several new slats have been installed in the lower section. The upper brackets still have the same slats as last week, but this area is clearly the current focus. Glass panels have arrived, likely destined for upper areas such as VIP and hospitality zones. Prefabricated staircases are also visible, indicating continued interior progress. The north goal, we check the panel ramp. Wall is now completely clean, with all formwork panels removed. The ramp and both side walls are fully concreted, and this section appears finished. The north goal corner, most workers are on break, but some activity continues. Supports and cross braces in this area were installed some time ago. The only missing step is the placement of anchors, which suggests slat installation could begin here soon. Prefabricated seating are visible, stacked, and ready to be lifted into the rapidly growing third tier. The transformation in this area from one match to the next is expected to be dramatic, ongoing in the structure where future elevators will be located, with elevated platforms operating around the pillars. The Tribuna shop balcony, we can see a large volume of prefabricated stands and staircases in various sizes, all prepared for installation. Visible at the escalators, but drywall installation has resumed after the placement of rock wool insulation. This area is now being closed up again. Lower ramp, workers are installing railings and curved sections for corner transitions. Additional steel bars are stored nearby, awaiting their next use. The video, we move to the diamond area. Temporary elements have been removed, and the area remains largely unchanged structurally. Rock wool insulation is still visible inside, and painting work continues on beams and gaps, leaving the walls fully black and cleanly finished. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a moment from Epic World Projects.